Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the CE-34335-8 error when you cannot start your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you are getting this error where you cannot start your PlayStation 4, you probably have a hard drive issue. So let's go ahead and completely turn off our PlayStation by holding down the power button on top. And then you will hear one beep and you should hear another beep a couple seconds later. So I heard that second beep. Now I'm going to wait for the light bar to completely power down. And then I'm going to unplug it from the wall outlet. So that's just about complete. Then I also have some compressed air that I'm going to use to clean out my hard drive on my PlayStation 4. Now, this is just compressed gas duster, instant dust remover I got from Walmart for about $3 or $4. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of hold it level and then do some quick bursts in there. If you hold it down, you might get some vapor or moisture to formulate, so you would have to go ahead and wait a little bit longer before you start your PlayStation. So now that this is turned off, I'm going to unplug it from the wall outlet, just like that, then turn it around and remove the side panel here, and this will expose our hard drive. Alright, so this is coming off, and here is my hard drive located right there. Then where is my screwdriver? Let's go ahead and unscrew this, just like this, and this will come out very easily. Now, if cleaning out your hard drive bay does not work, you will have to go ahead and replace your hard drive completely. And these are relatively cheap. You can get 1 terabyte of data, which is twice the size of this one right here, for about $50 off of Amazon. Now you're going to need specific dimensions for it to fit. So go ahead and do some research and look that up on the PlayStation website before you go ahead and purchase a hard drive, just to verify the hard drive you are going to buy fits in your PlayStation 4. Now with your compressed air, go ahead and spray inside the bay for the hard drive right here, and just clear out any dust that may have accumulated over time. And do a very thorough job. Also, use this on your hard drive and get inside where it connects to the PlayStation 4 and just spray that out very good. Now you can also use a microfiber cleaning cloth. So I got this with my glasses, and just clean off the connection pieces right here. Maybe there's some sort of issue with that and there's a bunch of dust on there. So just be very gentle and clean that off and get all the dust out of there. Now to replace your hard drive, when you do get a new one, just take out the 4 screws on the side here, and then just put the hard drive inside this little cart that goes inside your PlayStation, and then just follow the on-screen instructions. It's very easy to replace, and then you should be good to go. And you just slide it back in just like this after you've cleaned it. But maybe there is an issue with the PlayStation 4 system software and you have to completely replace it. You're going to have to go to the website, get a USB stick from your computer, and then plug it into your PlayStation and completely redo the system software. So maybe cleaning it just with compressed air and a microfiber clean cloth will avoid you having to buy anything or do extra work. But those are just some suggestions, so look into just cleaning it, maybe buying a new hard drive, and then replacing the system software. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.